officially on my maiden voyage by myself. We're heading up to Cranberry Lake in the Adirondacks for 2 nights. Couldn't get the refrigerator to switch over to propane, so I'm going to have to stop and see if I can get some ice for my cooler just in case. And other than that, we'll see you later. Bye. Making my morning coffee. White chocolate. This is why I came here. Gonna start hiking. This is Mount Arab. Trailhead. Other cars here. See you at the top. And the girls gotta go. The girls gotta go. Oh, look in there. I think I'm gonna have the rest of my breakfast right there, overlooking that. This guy just scared the shit out of me. I don't know if you can see him. Little snaky poo. Just a little guy. So, when it rains and you don't have an umbrella, I put this garbage bag in my bag a long time ago as a emergency raincoat. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit over my arms, so this is what I got. I'm almost down to the trailhead. It's alright. Had a little bit of rain at the Arab, so I had to stop in Tupper Lake, get some fuel, and get a poncho for this one because I got a little wet, not too bad. And now I'm at Goodman. 1.6 miles, a little bit longer. Bugs are terrible. Got my bug spray, got my sandwich. Here we go. Hi guys, this is my last one today. This is it Coney or Cooney? I don't know. 1.1 miles to the top, and I hear there's 365 degree views, so here I go. Morning guys, on my way home and thought I would hit up yet another fire tower. This one is Cathedral. It's just a 1 mile. Says it's easy. Bugs are crazy, but I got my stuff. See you at the top. So far, I've pretty much been walking on flat ground, if not going downhill. And then all of a sudden, rocks. As far as you can see. Guess I'm going up. How does my new accessory look? Did I mention the bugs are bad? I'm sure I must have mentioned in all of my travels that I'm actually scared of heights. So I decide to hike fire towers. I usually go up as far as I can till my nerves give out. And this is Cathedral. I'm hoping to get as far as so that I can at least get a view. Trying not to look down. Always have a hand grip. I'm at the top of the trees, at least. Starting to get scared now. I think this might be it. So anyways, here we are. I'm not gonna get to the top of the trees. So that concludes my adventures this weekend. There's the old rig. I even just got a geocache. Now to head her home. Cool.